I am Dr. K Eniyan, a Managing Director, Srikamatchi Medical Center, Tanjavur. We are the first hospital in Delta region of Tamilnadu to implement IoT system provided by Tor-ai into our facility department. This IoT based solution, Tor Shield, helps us in monitoring energy related parameters remotely and in real time.
Good morning. I am Dr. Ramesh Babu, the Chief Executive Officer of Srikamatchi Medical Center. Tor.ai's Tor Shield, which is our Internet of Things IoT device, which is used for the electricity as well as the diesel generator consumption, because the monitoring becomes simpler on a day-to-day basis, and we are finding it extremely useful by all our people.
I am Ravichandran, General Manager of Facility in Srikamatchi Medical Center, Tanjavur. Previously, we used to take readings in night 12 o'clock with the help of electrician. He will spend 1.5 hours to take all the readings. Now we have introduced Shield IoT. You are getting 12 o'clock reading at real time, and also you are getting that report in the next day morning mail. This is saving 1.5 hours of the electrician. Same time you are getting the real time of all meters. It is impossible manually. We are having a criteria in TNEB that is called maximum demand. The maximum demand have been recorded in every 15 minutes. Taking up every 15 minutes reading is humanly impossible. That's why we have connected Shield IoT. It is giving real-time maximum demand of the electricity. That's why we are maintaining 600 kVA to run this hospital efficiently. Thank you.
As a result, we have not only saved the energy cost and also saved energy for the community. Thank you to team Tor.ai